Om Guram Namaste. My dear Tantika Chian, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are also fine. Okay. Today's class we are completed the 14 bond exercise up to 2000. Okay. Now today we can discuss about sixth problem. Okay. Now that is what it can under surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory and the frequency distribution of the number of letters. Okay, number of letters. How many number of letters are there in each surname? Okay, number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. Okay, now the data is given. Now we should find the determine median number of letters in the surname. Means we have to find median. Okay, and also we have to find the mean and the mode. Okay, mean number of letters in the surname. Okay, also find the mode size of the surname. Means what we have to find mean, median, mode for the given data. Okay, now we can find the mean, median, mode. Okay, now now observe the observe the data. Okay, now 1 to 4 6. Okay, 4 to 7 30, 7 to 10 40, 10 to 13 16, 13 to 15 4, 15 to 19 4. Okay, now count 30 over 6 36, 36 to 40 how much 76, 76 to 16 92, 92 over 4 96, 96 to 4 100. So sigma ever equal to 100. So in mean sigma ever equal to 100. So n equal to 100. Okay, now n by 2 equal to 100 by 2. N by 2 equal to 100 by 2. Okay, 100 n equal to 100 by 2. N by 2 equal to 100 by 2. So 100 by 2 equal to what? 50. So n by 2 equal to 50. Okay, now n by 2 equal to 50. Okay, now contact the cumulative frequency. Okay, 6. Okay, now 6 to 30, 36. Okay, 36 to 40, 76. Okay, 76 to 16, 76 to 16, how much? 76 to 16, how much? 92. 86, 92. So 92 plus 4, 96. 96 plus 4, 100. Okay, this is the cumulative frequency table. Okay, so 100 by 2 equal to what? 50. 50 is near to what? 36. So 36 is the CF value. Okay, CF value. Okay, so CF value is 36 now. So F40 equal to F. Okay, and the 7 to 10 will be the median curve. Okay, and also this will be the mode curve in mode, in finding the mode. Okay, 7 to 10 curve is nothing but the median curve as well as mode curve. Okay, so this is 40 now. So this will be also F1. F1. Okay, this will be F0. So this is F2. Okay, F2 value. Succeeding frequency of the memory cache. Okay, now what? A equal to what? 7. Okay, A equal to 7. Okay, F not equal to 40. F not equal to 40. Sorry, yeah. Okay, F not equal to 30. Okay, now F1 equal to 40. 40. Now F2 equal to 16. Okay, height equal to what? 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. So height equal to 3. Okay, now F equal to what? Again 40. Okay, F equal to what? 36. Okay, 36. Okay, now we have to find the value of xi. Nothing more over boundary by upper boundary by 2. Okay, so according to that formula, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 by 2, 2.5. 2.5. Okay, now 4, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 by 2, 11 by 2, 6.5. 11 by 2, how much? 5.5. Okay, 11 by 2 equal to 5.5. Okay, now height equal to 3 now. So, add 3 to each and every xi. So, 5.5 and 8.5. 8.5 net 11.5. 11.5 net and 14. 14.5. 14.5 net. Net 14 to 17. 17.5. Okay? Now, now if I just do 65 30. 65 30. 3 F2. Okay? Now, 6 to the 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15.0. Okay? 15.0. Okay, next 30 into 36. 36 is how much? Okay, now 30 into 5.5. Okay, now 0 into 5.5, 0. Okay, now 3 into 5.5, 3 by 15. Okay, 1. 3 by 15, 15 to 12, 16, 165. 165.0. Okay, next 40. 40 into 8.5. 4 by 0 into 8.5, 0. Okay, now 4 by 20. 4 by 20. Okay, 4 by 20. Now 4 is 32. 32 plus 2, 34. So 340.0. Okay, next 11.5. 11.5 into 16. Okay, so 16 by 80. 80. Okay, now 15 7 16 7 176. 176 plus 8 184. So 184.0. Okay, now 4. 4 into 4, 14.9. 4 by 20. 2. Okay, now 4 14 56. 56 plus 2, 58. 58. Okay, 58.0. Now Again, 4 into 17 plus 5. 4 5 20. 2. Okay, now 4 17 17 4 68. Okay, 68. Okay, now 17 4 68 to 70. Okay, 70.0. So now you got all the effects values. Now you have to add them. Okay, then you can get the value of sigma Fx. Okay, sigma Fx. Now count. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, R 0, so no need. Point 0. Okay, point 0. Okay, now 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 8, 22. 22. Okay, now again 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 5, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 7, 26 plus 7, 33, 33. Okay, now 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8. So 832.0. 832.0. 832.0 equal to what? 832. Okay? 832. So that is nothing but the sigma Fxa value is 832. Now we obtained all the values. Now we have to apply the formula of mean, median and mode. Okay, in mean you are applying now as by using direct method. Okay, because here for finding the mean, it did not ask any method, so we can know in our own method. But if we ask the particular method, then you have to do in that method only. Okay, now we can calculate the mean, median and mode value. Okay. Now mean equal to x bar. X bar equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi. Okay. So that is nothing but the x bar equal to 832.0 832. 832 by 100. Okay, sigma fi equal to 100. So x bar equal to 832 by 100 equal to what? 8.32. Okay, by 100 now. So after before two decimals from right to left, we have to keep point. So that is nothing but 8.32. Okay, now median. Okay, first of all we can calculate the median. Okay, afterwards mode. Median equal to L plus n by 2 n by 2 minus F by F by F into H. Okay? That is nothing but L equal to what? L equal to 7. 7 plus n by 2 by what? N by 2 equals 50. Okay? Or we have obtained 50 minus 36. Here we go 36. 50 minus 36 in 36 by 40. F equal what? 40 into H equal what? 3. H equal 3. Okay? Now, calculate the value. 7 plus 50 minus 36 equal what? 14. Okay? 14 by 40 into 3. Okay? Now, 14. 2 7 the 14. 2 10 into 20 the 40. Okay? Now, equal to 7 plus 7 by 20 into 3. 7 by 20 into 3. Okay, that is nothing but equal to 7 3 how much? 7 3 21. 21 by 20. 21 by 20. Okay, now divide. 21 by 20. 21 divided by 20. Okay, 20. How much? 21 is 20. Okay, one left flat. Okay, keep point. You can get 0, not possible. Keep another point, another 0. So you are keeping at the and 2 zeros. So keep 1 0 in the quotient value. Okay, so you can give 1 0. So 25 is 100. Okay, then minus 0. So the answer is 21 to 20 equal to 1.05. Okay, now equal to 7 plus 1.05. Okay, now 7 plus 1 equal to what? 8. So median equal to 8.05. Median value 8.05. Okay, is the median value. Okay, now we have to calculate mode. Okay, mode. Okay, how? By using the mode formula. How? Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F naught, F1 minus F naught by 2F1 minus F naught minus F2. Okay, into H. Okay, now that is nothing but the substitute values. Equal to what? 7. 7 plus F1 into what? F1 40. 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30. By 2 into 40. 2 into 40. 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 minus 16 into h equal to how much? 3. Okay, h equal to 3, hypotheticals. Okay, now, so simplify. 7 plus 40 minus 10, 30, 10 by 240 is 80. 240 is 80 minus 30 minus in the minus plus 30 minus 16 how much? 30 plus 16 how much? 46. 46 into 3. Okay, that is nothing but equal to 7 plus 10 by 80 minus 46 how much? 4. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Okay, now again, if 7 minus 4, 3. 7 minus 4 equal to 3 into 3. Okay, now 2 5 are 10. 2 17 are 34. So that is nothing but the 7 plus 5 by 17 into 5 by 17 into 3. Now that is nothing but 7 plus 5 is how much? 15. 15 by 17. Okay. Now calculate. Calculate the value of 15 by 17. Okay. Now calculate the value of 15 by 17. Okay. Calculate the value of 15 by 17. Okay. Now 15 divided by 17. 15 divided by 17. Okay. Now that is nothing but it is point, 0 point. So 0 point. Okay. So 0 point now. Now what you can get 0. Okay. 17 is okay. 17 is how much? 17 is how much? How much? 17 is another 56. Okay. 8 1 8 8 to 13. Okay, 136. So 0.8 136. So that is nothing but 14. Again 2.0. Again 17 is 136. Again 4. It is repeating this one. So what is your answer? 17 this 0.88. Okay. So more equal to 7 plus 0.88. Okay. Now 7 plus 0.88 equal to what? More equal to 7.88. 7.88. Okay. So for this for the given data. Now mean equal to 8.068.32 mod equal to 7.88 median equal to 8.05. Okay. Now we are going to discuss next paragraph. Now the art problem of 14.0 exercise and the seventh problem. Okay, that is seventh problem. Page number 351. Okay, now page number 351. Okay, the distribution below gives the weight of 32 and the average gas. Find the median weight of the twins. So what you have to find a median weight. Means what you have to find a median value. Okay. Now the given data is 40 to 45 2, 45 to 53, 50 to 55 8, 55 to 6, 50 to 55. How much? 50 to 51, 6, 55 to 73, 3, 70 to 75, 2. This is the given data. Okay. Now I have to contact the cumulative frequency. Okay. Now 2, 2. Now 2 percent 5. Now 5% 13. Okay. Now 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6 how much? 19. 13 plus 6 how much? 19. So 19. 19. 19. 19 plus 6 how much? 25. 25. So 25 plus 3 how much? 28. Now 28 plus 2 how much? 30. So n equal to 30. N equal to 30. Okay, n by 2 equal to how much? 30 by 2. 30 by 2. So 2 under 215. Okay, so n by 2 equal to 15. Okay, n by 2 equal to 15. Now n by 2 equal to 15 is near to which value? 13. So 13 will be the CF. Okay, 13 will be the CF value. Okay, now so this will be the F2. Okay, so now 55 to 50 will be the median gas. Okay, now 55 to 50 will be the median gas. Okay, now so here we go to 13. Here we go to 13. Here we go to 6. If we go to 6, next. If we go to 6, next. H equal to how much? 45 minus 45. 50 minus 45. 5. So H equal to 5. L equal to lower boundary. Lower boundary of the median gas. L equal to 55. Okay. Now we have got all values. Now we have to find the median value. Okay. Now find the median value. Now median equal to write the formula. Okay. Write the formula. Okay. Median equal to L plus n by 2. N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. Now equal to L equal what? 55. 55 minus 55 plus n by 2 equal what? 15. 15 minus 13 by F equal to what? 6 into H equal to 5. Okay. What are you seeking it? Okay. And that equal to 55 plus 15 minus 13 how much? 2. 2 by 6 into 2 by 6 into 5. Okay. 2 1 2 3 30. 2 1 2 3. So that equal to 55 plus 155 plus, okay, 55 plus 1 by 3 into 5. Okay, now that equal to 55 plus 3 by 5. 1 into 3 equal to what? 3. So 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Okay, now that equal to 55 plus 55 plus 5 by 3 how much? Do division. 5 divided by 3. Okay? 3 1 3. 2 left. Okay? 20. 3 6 18. Okay? Again 2. Again 6. So 1.66. Okay? So that, so 55 is 1.67, 56.66 kg weight median weight. So 56.66. Okay? So the median weight equal to median weight of the students equal to 56.66 kg. 56.66 kg. Okay? Now that is today's class. Tomorrow we can discuss the OQs. Okay? Thank you.